Welcome to today's training. Today we're going to be talking about KV Core. And if you don't know a lot about KV Core or you're stuck, you just don't know where to start, I'm going to make a series of videos walking you through different steps, things you can do to get started. Today we're going to be talking about save filters. So when you log in, this is your dashboard. When you come over here to the left, you have this Ferris wheel. So let's click on all contacts. And when you do that, you want to click on filters. Here on the left, you have your contact status. You have contact details. You have your hashtags. You have behaviors on here. So any of these you can click on to set up your save filters. For today's training, we're just going to do active. And what active means in KV Core is that you spoke to them, whether that was on the phone, an email, or through a text. So let's do active buyer. And so these are going to be all the buyers you've spoke to. Then you're going to hit apply filter. Once you do that, all of these leads are going to pop up that you spoke to. So back down here at the bottom where it says save filter, this is where you're going to name your save filter. And remember to pin it to the top of the CRM. So you would click that to pin it up there, and then you hit save filter. And what that's going to look like is at the top up here, it's going to be pinned up here. Now, if you don't see it, come to this gear. And then here are all these, the ones with the check marks. That means that they're pinned to the top. So if you don't want one pinned, you can unpin it, you can delete it, anything like that. And I put these up here to make it easier for me to navigate my CRM and know the things that I need to do. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next training.